Welcome to the AccuWeb Web Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to install Webuzo control panel in Linux VPS or dedicated server. If you want a PDF file of this video tutorial, you can download it from our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Web Hosting. We have mentioned our Telegram channel link in the description. Kindly click on the link and find the PDF file of this video tutorial. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. Webuzo is a multi-user control panel built for hosting providers, resellers, and website owners. It's a powerful and easy-to-use web hosting control panel used by users around the world. Webuzo can be installed on various types of servers and supports Ubuntu, Alma Linux, and CentOS. Webuzo allows hosting providers and users the ability to automate server management tasks while offering your customers the tools they need to manage their sites. Webuzo offers 3 access levels: admin, reseller, and user. Let's check the system requirements of Webuzo. Operating system. Webuzo is supported on CentOS 7X or 8X or Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7X or 8X or Scientific Linux 7X or 8X or Ubuntu LTS version 18.04 or 20.04. RAM. In order to install the Webuzo control panel, you should have a minimum of 1 GB RAM on the server. We recommended 2 GB RAM for best performance. Ports. If the firewall is enabled on the server, you will have to open 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 21, 22, 25, 53, 80, 143, 443, 465, 993, 587, and 3306 ports. Yum, apt-get, tar, and wget packages should be installed on your server. Disk space. Webuzo control panel requires a minimum of 5 GB disk space. We recommended 10 GB for best performance. You should have root access on the server. PHP, Apache, and MySQL should not be installed on the server. Let's install the Webuzo control panel on the server. Step 1 is log in into the server using the root user. We have successfully logged into the server. Step 2. Before starting the installation process, we have to update the server so that the latest packages can be installed. Also, you need to install some other required packages. To update the server, run the following command. The server update process has been completed. To install EPEL, extra packages for Enterprise Linux, repository on your CentOS server, run the following command. This repository will help to download the other required packages. To install the required package, install wget to download the installation script. Step 3 is to set the hostname. Sometimes installation scripts show an error that your hostname is not fully qualified. To fix this, you will have to set a fully qualified hostname. To check the hostname, run the following command. To set the fully qualified hostname, run the below command. you will have to replace server.example.com with your desired hostname. In the above command, we are using server.demovpstest.com as the hostname. You can also create the hostname in the same way with your domain name. Step 4 is to run the following commands to download the Webuzo installer package on your server. Step 5 is to change the permissions of the file to make it executable. Step 6 is to run the installation script by running the below command. This will install the LAMP stack, DNS server, FTP server, and Webuzo control panel. This process may take 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Once the installation process is completed, you will see the screen as mentioned on the screen. Login information of Webuzo control panel. Webuzo has two sections: Admin panel and End User panel. Admin panel. To log in to the Webuzo admin panel, visit the following URL: http://yourip:2005 or http://yourip:2004. The username is the root, and the password will be the same as your root user. End User panel. To log in to the Webuzo End User panel, visit the following URL: http://yourip:2003 or http://yourip:2002. The username and password will be the same that you entered during the end-user account setup. Let's log in into the Webuzo admin panel. Enter the username and password of the root user in the desired text box. Click on the Login button. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Webuzo control panel on your server. Now you can manage websites, databases, email accounts, FTP accounts, and many more tasks from the Webuzo control panel. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to install Webuzo control panel in Linux VPS or dedicated server. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscribe button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have access to the PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.